Welcome to this module on defining your procurement categories. Grouping your spend into clear categories helps you see where your money really goes, spot savings opportunities, and develop focused strategies. Remember, categories should be broad enough to leverage market competition, but detailed enough to be meaningful. Let's walk through the practical steps. 1. Locate your spend data. Make sure your data is detailed enough. You'll usually find this in your ERP system, contracts, purchase orders, or other databases. Consolidate the data in an Excel file and make sure you have at least a column showing date, item, supplier, quantity, unit price, and spend. 2. Clean the data. Remove duplicates and exclude any non-supplier items, like salaries or internal transfers, that don't fall under procurement. 3. Group transactions into categories. Look for similarities in use, suppliers, and item characteristics. For example, you may have categories like plastics, glass, packaging, IT, logistics, or office supplies. 4. Consider subcategories. If you have large or diverse categories, break them down further. For instance, under IT, you might have hardware, software, and support services. 5. Sense check your structure. Are your categories and subcategories clearly defined and different from each other? Can almost all purchases be assigned to a group? Are they understandable to everyone in the business? 6. Document your structure. This is where the category classification template comes in handy. Let's look at the template together. You will find 2 sheets, an example and a designated template to add your own categories. The example is there to give you an idea, so make sure you fill in all your categories and subcategories and remove the lines not needed. Go ahead and use this template to map out your own categories and subcategories. I'll see you in the next module.